It's about almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm bored. You hear that? That's my girlfriend on the phone snoring. That's my face, but... Look at those lips. Well, I'm up and she's on the phone snoring, and she wonders why I don't go to sleep when I'm up. And she wants to wake up and call me all early and get me up all early because she didn't have a nice sleep. That's what sipping on that scissor will get you. She is a beast. Watch this. Baby, stop snoring. You hear me?
What you say?
I said stop snoring.
Who's snoring?
You snoring. You sleeping like a freaking bear.
Don't lie, man.
What?
Don't lie.
Don't lie. What I got to lie for? Go back to sleep, you snoring ass girl. See, y'all gonna say she's not snoring. Then she go right back to snoring. But anyways, that's all. I'm just up in the late night board.